You got to change it to it now. Don't make it take off.
Who's that tiger cat?
Craziness. The craziness is about to begin. Yeah, this is. Oh, he's already out there. Sia's already ready.
Take off flat.
I'm the only odd man out, huh?
Oh, it's this way.
Yeah, we're going the right way.
You are. Is it plugged in?
It was. Maybe you may want to redo it.
You have your video on?
Yeah. Go, Frankie, go!
Wait for me.
You're flying that thing hard, Frankie. Everybody see okay?
Stand back, guys, a little bit.
I'm gonna stand over here.
Yeah, don't hog in the face here.
Go, Frankie, go! Who's next?
I'm coming back. I'm gonna go hit all you guys.
I'm coming back too. I'm going. I'm following the Havoc.
Low pass downwind. Low pass downwind. That's what I love about it. That's payoff.
Woohoo! All right, let's go get in the mayhem.
This is when the mid-air happens.
Don't say that.
No, I'm reverse jinx again. It's not a reverse jinx. Low pass.
Hello.
One more time.
Where is everybody? You guys are just. I gotta get in the mix here. Where's everybody?
Who's the green one? Low pass. Low pass.
There we are. Good Lord, who is that? Ah!
I didn't know which one was mine.
Is that Sia way over here?
I'm on this side.
Okay.
I'm on the deck here.
I'm going to do a low pass and pull up you guys. Oh, no, no, no. It is chaos out there. Low pass downwind.
Look out! Whoa! We're totally breaking all the rules right now.
This is totally organized.
It's great, isn't it? Oh Lord! Who's that?
Time remaining. 1 minute.
That's Frank. Oh
Low
God,
pass. Wait, Frank is still up.
he's still up. He's trying to avoid us. He's trying to get around us. What? What do you mean touch and go with all this craziness? Okay, I'm weird. I'm going with Frank.
Landing flat.
I'm
Gear
pulling the
down.
covers right there. Oh,
Landing.
I got to touch and go behind Frank.
I have a 4,000, so I kind of bring it in. That's 2 down.
I'm not staying down.
I am landing, full stop.
Flat up. Gear up.
I'm going the way we normally fly, not the way we fly.
30 seconds.
The other way? I'm gonna land.
Oh my God, my battery is so unhappy with me.
My battery is probably happy because the 40C and support that.
Landing flat.
I'm landing right now.
You are? Okay, I'm behind you.
On final.
I'm behind you.
Okay, I'm gonna just get on.
Because my battery is not happy with me. Whoever that Havoc is, don't hit me.
8 7 6
Oh no!
Flat up.
Who's that?
Okay, I gotta land. You're fine.
No, I'm just making sure I don't, because Max keeps walking right in front of my plane.
I'm sorry that you're right there. I was thinking.
1
It is.
5
I'm clear. Holy! I'm all the way to. Oh Lord Jesus!
Coming back. The race to the taxiway.
I had to hurry up and get out of the way. Somebody's coming right at me.
Dion, Mustang.
Hey! Hi-oh!
So much power.
What? Must have a big. You must have a bigger pack. I have an old 5,000, old 4,000. Oh my God, that was crazy. That was absolutely crazy. Good stuff.
off. All right, good job, boys.